Hey guys, it's Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property. Today we're going to be doing some trash bins. It's going to be a new customer who just signed up for our quarterly cleaning service for his trash bins. It's only 2 trash bins today, so it's going to be green and black. It's here in Ceres, California. Just setting everything up. We have already got the water line hooked up to the house, filling up the 2 tanks right now. I'm not going to need a lot of water, but you know, I need some water. Go to clean these trash bins. Set up the tripod right now as well. Got to be efficient. So while the water is running, setting up the camera, taking the video. But yeah, trying to get in and out. Time is money, so make sure we get all these jobs done as quickly as possible. It doesn't look like the trash bins has ever been cleaned before. They're really nasty. Have a lot of webs, dirty on the inside. There is like a piece of trash that's in the trash bin. We tell all of our customers that they're not, we don't take anything from our customer's house, whether it be dirt on our shot back from gutters and just be in the lawn to trash that's in the trash can. So we just put it back in the trash bin after it's already been cleaned. So yeah, unfortunately, like when you get your trash bins, the trash people come in and take all your trash away and everything. Sometimes they miss things. That's just what it is. It happens in life. But yeah, so we're gonna clean out those trash bins, get them all done. We're gonna start a time lapse here pretty soon. There goes my keys. Start a time lapse here pretty soon. We are also in the shorts today because it's getting hot, and it's gonna be a quick job anyways too. So yeah, let's get it rolling. All right, guys. So here we are going to be rinsing out the trash bins, applying our chemical solution, then rinsing out again. Trash bin cleaning has been a huge service for us this summertime, keeping us busy throughout the entire week. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want to do. This has been Tony from Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property.